You've heard bells and whistles. For this home, the list is about a mile long. This home was custom built as an entertainer's dream. I mean, really custom. Everything was selected with the future in mind. Wide oak floors, maple woodwork and cabinets, and 12-foot ceilings. Huge kitchen opens to a large composite deck off of dining area, perfect for taking the party outside. Main floor features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and an office. The primary owner's suite includes 2 walk-in closets, a walk-in shower, and a jacuzzi tub. The walkout lower level comes with in-floor radiant heat, a huge storage area for your holiday decorations, and your dream workshop. Situated in a prime Mendota Heights location on a quiet cul-de-sac, you're just minutes from downtown and the airport. I call this main floor living in style. Yes, you really can have it all.